Hello and welcome to my shop. It had been a while since I turned something and showed it to you on YouTube, but this time I think I'll go and start into a new season to make regular videos. Okay, I've got a project on my mind, but I've never turned an apple before. So follow me along in the next couple of minutes how I turn this apple from I don't know what wood. Cracks in there, but this had been a training for the next week's video. Give a thumbs up if you like the video, give a thumbs down if you don't like it, but please leave a comment.
Like every project, also this one starts by sharpening my tools. Time to get some wood into the chucks. Here I clean up the face in order to bring back the tailstock so I can chew up the blank in the chucks. Now it's time to start shaping. With my spindle detail gouge I start by making the depression for the top and the small knob where the stem ends up later. I end up every part of shaping the apple by sanding down to 320 grit. In order to imagine the final shape, I take my pencil and mark it on the blank, and then I start turning roughly what I see in the piece. Time to part it off. The waste part becomes a jam chuck, and this way I can finish the bottom of the apple. There is no need for alignment as an apple is a natural shape. The one thing left to do is drilling a hole 4 mm at an angle. Every apple needs a stem, so I turn it from a leftover piece in my Jacob's chucks.
I hope you enjoyed how I turned this apple, and well, be curious of what I come up with on my next video. But well, this will be something special, I promise. So if you want to support my channel, head over to my homepage, link is down in the description, and you can decide whether you send me some stuff, well, become a patron on Patreon, or, well, donate a one-time donation via PayPal. So thank you very much for watching, and up to next time with greetings from good old Germany, your Peter Freitag. Thank God it's Friday.